This is Delta Scientific Equipment Delspinmc, the programmable spin coater, along with a vacuum pump. So you have to start this device by switching on by this red switch. It will display on the board the Delta Scientific Equipment and the model. Then it will show the program number and the number of steps under each program. So you can cook 40 programs and 16 steps per program. So before programming the device, we have to first check. Here we have to use two things. First is the substrate on which you will do the coating, and next one is the O-ring which will hold the substrate on the vacuum chuck. So this is the vacuum chuck. We have to properly place the O-ring inside the proper groove, and on that we have to put the glass substrate on which you will do the experiment. So this glass substrate will be held by the vacuum through the vacuum pump. We will show that in a minute. Before that, we will show you how to program the device. First, you can see this is the first program, and under that there are 3 steps. So you can change the program by typing 01 or 02, whichever program you are trying to get on. So we will start by the first program. So this is the first program. Under that you want 3 steps or up to 16 steps. If you want, you can change it by putting it like this from the keyboard. So we will just give 3 steps on this program, and then we will enter the program. So inside the program you can see there is given the number of steps, the speed, the duration in which time the speed will come from 0 rpm to 2500 rpm, and the dwell time, which is the amount of time it will hold the 2500 rpm speed. You can change it by the same method. By this is we have first pre-programmed the first step, which is the step number 1, and then we will enter. We have pre-programmed 2500 rpm. You can change it according to your need by putting it like this. Then we will press enter. You can change the duration and the dwell time accordingly. Then if you press enter, it will go to the second step. You can see we have pre-programmed. So we will change the program just to show you the difference. So we will give this as 4500 or 4600 rpm, and we are keeping the duration and dwell time the same. And this is the third one. We will again change the speed 6500. So we have set all the parameters here, and then we will start the program. So when you start the program here, it will first require the chuck to be held to the substrate. So here you can see, as the vacuum has turned on, it is now not moving, and it will be held here even for high speed. So it is now asking to check the vacuum lid. So because the lid is open, it won't start. So now we are placing the lid. We are placing the lid over here. Now it has given that the lid is there, so it will start the program, and according to how we have pre-programmed, it will work. So first it will go to 3500, wait for 8 seconds. Then it will go to the next program. So you can take off the vacuum lid once you have started the program. Here you can see it is going in the high speed of 4500, and then it will change after 5 seconds to the third step. And it will be there for 9 seconds, after which the program will end. And motor and the vacuum will turn off automatically. So here this is the first program. You can also change it to a second program, and you can keep up till 40 programs here. And that is all.